Sweet drink. I finally did my Tamba natural drink. I thought it would not be possible, going through all the processes, but finally it happened. Sit and relax. Let me take you through the process of how I made this wonderful drink. So, instead of drinking Coke and all those chemical processed drink, this is the best drink that you can make for yourself at home and then enjoy natural taste of everything. Now, sit and see how I start making it. You need 4 ingredients to be able to achieve this lovely DIY natural drink, Tamba. You need millet, soya beans, groundnuts, tamper, sugar, which is optional. For me, I have to put sugar because I'm giving it to my children, and children, they love sweet drinks when it's very sweet, but because I want them to take this drink, so I added sugar in my own. This is the drink. I have to kind of soak it, soak it for in the water, wash it, mix everything together, all the 4 ingredients, wash it. After washing it, and now have to sun it after picking all the trash from it. So thank God we're in December period, so there's sun. I have to soak it. I have to kind of sun it, in the sun for some days for it to dry very well. So here I am, after it dried. I'm trying to kind of still pick some things, some dirt that are inside, filter it very well, making sure that there's no any trash inside. There is not my ingredient, which is millet, soya beans, groundnut, tamper. Just picking it so very well, making sure it's something that you're going to kind of take natural. So I don't want anything that is not my ingredient to be inside the drink. So I took my time, spent time, selecting. You can see me selecting it after sunning it, and I'm sure that it's so dry because it have to be very dry, because if it's not very dry, I don't think it will come out from the from the machine. You can see me filtering it, making sure that all the trash, anything, any dirt that is in it will not really kind of be blended together with the drink. So this really a whole lot of process, but I took my time. See me pouring it inside the container that I want to take to go and blend it with. So I have to kind of make sure there is no dirt in it, because I want to kind of take it to go and grind. And if I don't pick it like this, I will end up blending it together with what I don't need. This time around, I took a whole lot of time making sure I pick all the dirt very well from my drink. It's natural drink, so I have to kind of follow it gradually to make sure everything is picked out. I'm making it for myself because I want to drink it myself. I'm not buying it, so I took my time in picking. You can see me paying real attention to make sure everything is picked out completely from it. My rubber is close to me. As I pick, I pour it inside the container that I want to take to to go and blend it. So you can see me pouring it inside. Yeah. Oh wow, so finally I finished, picking out the deck from my mixture. So I have to keep all this. I have to keep this because of for next time. I have to keep this. Yes, I'm tidying up because I know very well I'm going to use it again. So yes, I have to kind of keep it safe so that I'll be able to use it next time. I'm talking about this. I use it to dry it because I'm that kind of person that I like preserving things. It's not when I need to use something I'll now start looking for where to get it. So I prepared this that I use in drying it, so I'm keeping it safe to use it for another day. I'm tidying up now. You know, there are some little, this stone. I want to kind of use it to tie the floor of my compound that's been there for a whole long time, but now it's useful for me. So I'm keeping it back where I picked it from, tidying up everything so that I'll be able to kind of take my drink to go and blend. Yeah, I'm so excited I got to the stage, and there are some particles still on the, you know, where I dry it. So I'm trying to kind of pick everything up right now and make sure I don't mix anyone because it took me money to buy this. I'm talking about buying it. They're not really expensive to buy. I think I have to buy one mudu of each of this drink. I'm talking about the soya beans, the granite, the millet, and the tamba itself. I don't even know the name given to that tamba in English, but in Hausa we call it tamba. It's black and very tiny. Yeah, so see me trying to kind of tidy up the place that I use. I love it when every place is organized. It gives me you know, a good sense of, feeling good with myself that yes, I worked and every place is organized. So I'm trying to kind of organize everything so that I'll be able to take my drink to go and grind. I'm still picking some of the little ones that are there. Yeah, to tidy it up, making sure I don't lose anything. Yeah, this is the last set for me now. So I'm trying to pick it up and then find my way to go and blend it. At this point, if you've not subscribed to this channel, please subscribe, give me a thumbs up and share this video. Thank you. Yeah, I have to change the cover. I was thinking the cover will be okay. The one I used before was not fitting very well. So I went to go and pick another one. Try. Still not okay. So I just said, please, let me just use the former one. And I took this one back. Finally finished picking the date and it's time to go. And that's when we realized that tire has issue. And hobby have to use. Thank God we have something to pump it with. And we're working on it now to go. Yeah, my drink is safe in the car to go and blend. And the tire is fixed. Tidying up what we use, pumper to pump the tire for us to go. And yeah, we're on our way to go and blend. Oh, we finally got to the place to blend our drink. But when we got there, the person that was supposed to grind was not around. So I had to sit down and wait all time for this man. He locked his shop as you can see. I don't know why he locked his shop, but on the second thought I said let me just add another ingredient to this drink, which is ginger. So I was started looking for everywhere to get ginger from this place. It's a village close to my house. So I got a place that I sell ginger. I bought it. Yay!
Bye-bye.
I thought I would not have it, but I got a place. So back to where I was supposed to brand my I finished buying the ginger. Guess what? When I got to the place I left my drink, the man said it's not supposed to brand it. So I had to look for this place and it was already dark, guys. So I'd have to kind of blend this drink in the dark. Thank God this woman accepted to blend the drink for me. So guys, this is the blended drink. This is how it looks like. Now it's time to prepare it. So I had to get a sieve, and when I was sieving it I discovered this inside the drink. You see why it's good to sieve it. When you finish blending, don't think that everything is okay. Look at what I got from the drink after blending it, and you know it was in the dark. Imagine this big stuff. I think it's the engine stuff that fell out. Thank God I used a sieve. Time to prepare it, sorry. So I had to kind of put it in the water, just soak it a little bit, pick a little bit after sieving it, put it in a bowl, add small water, turn it like this. You can pour hot water on it directly, but because of my children I had to cook it and cook it very well. So there's the water boiling already. You can see it on the kettle, on the fire. So I had to kind of prepare it this way for them. Now I had to kind of put it in a pot after pouring the hot water. So I now have to put it on a stove and keep stirring as the heat is on it. And as you keep stirring, it keep getting thicker and thicker. I keep adding water on it to kind of get it done with. And now it's done. Way I'm sharing it for the children now, putting it in their plate. As you can see, wow, this is a drink. This is a drink. So lovely. It tastes like milk, guys. I think it's because of the soya. How does it look like? So sweet, right? It looks, I like the final look of the drink. You can imagine it's very easy to prepare. You just get your stuff and then prepare it, wash it, dry it, blend it, and drink is natural.
Very nice.
So
Did you like the drink?
Yes, and I also want to go and eat it back. I've not finished it.
The children love the drink so well.
Okay, bye, you guys. Bye.
So that's it, guys. Subscribe to this channel, guys. Give us thumbs up. We've learned new things now that we'll be doing from time to time. I made enough of it. I bought one model of each of those things, and we're gonna be doing it from time to time. I'm enjoying it. It's super sweet. Subscribe to our channel. Remember, you're unique, you're special, and you're one of a kind.